In this video, we're going to see a 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan here at the Groves South Lamar, and it is going to be their B2 floor plan, just so you can see how everything's laid out, where you put your furniture, maybe give you some interior design tip ideas. I don't know, but that's coming up right now. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, I'm Marcus Jordan with the Premises Place Crew, broker by eXp Realty, and I help businesses find office space and people find apartments and real estate investments. If this is information that could be helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe below, hit that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Austin, Texas. Okay, now we are looking at their 2-bedroom, 2-bath, B2 floor plan at 1140 square feet. Now I will say 1140 doesn't sound like a lot for a 2-bedroom, but they have used this space very, very well. We'll take a walk here shortly, but just want to give you one last overall look first. I particularly like that table. Like it has a very unique shape. So let's go check it out. Now, similar to the 1-bedroom that we saw, washer, dryer included. In the kitchen area, you have the stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, and stove already included. A little more of an L shape in this unit versus just the straight alignment that we saw in the first. So you got a lot more cooking room, as you can see, more walking space, walk around space. I would say great counters for prepping here, great for display here, and then obviously you have your seating, but if you want it to be a little more formal, you have more than enough space for a dining room. I'm thinking probably rectangle going this way because that's where you can maximize that space there and this space here if you want to entertain. But you still have more than enough room in between the dining area and the sitting area over here if you have anyone who is watching television. So great layout. Let me show you the unit from a different view. Right, so it didn't look like that kitchen was very, very far away when we were in it, but now that you see it from the other side, hopefully that gives you a better perspective on the space that you have here. And since we're right close to the balcony, your balcony is pretty sizable as well. Now it has rained a little bit here, so please forgive any leaves or dust or anything that might have just blown in, but look at the space. Let's go ahead and back up so we can do this walk for you so you have a better tangible idea. So I'm here in the corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, about 17 to 20 feet of balcony space. Now, I was told this balcony space is going to be more aligned with the B2 floor plan. So if you are coming to Groves South Lamar looking for the B2, more than likely you will have that balcony area out there that we just saw. Let's go take a look at the rooms now. Now we'll start with the master, which when we come in will be immediately to our right. Again, good depth. They use the space very, very well. Again, 1140 square feet, but it doesn't look like it. And what I like most of all is, surprise, you have 2 sinks, but not right next to each other. L-shaped. Pretty cool, right? You have your standing area here, you have your partner standing area here, and then you have a deep garden tub here for those long days where you might just need to soak and sip. Man, it sounds like a Spotify playlist. Soak and sip. Anyway, moving on. Closet space. Similar to what we saw. A 1-bedroom. Good walkable space. All right. In the corner again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 8 feet angle to angle, just to let you have an idea of the closet space you'll get here. Again, all of their rooms can fit a king size bed. So you don't lose that here. You don't lose the ability to fit a king size bed in. Now let's go take a look at the guest room. Now bathroom is separated when you come to the second bedroom. Another garden tub, as you can see. Pretty simple. But now let's go check out the room. Again, another king size bed with plenty of room to put a dresser, walkable room on each side, walkable room on each side. And just so it doesn't look deceiving, let's go take a look to see how much space is on this other side, even if you're having a king size bed in it. Pretty spacious. Pretty spacious. Yeah. All right. So there we have it. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. B2 floor plan. At 1140 square feet. And so we wrap that up there with that 2-bedroom, 2-bath. That is the B2 floor plan. And I mean, like I said, 1140 square feet doesn't seem like a whole lot, but the fact that you can put 2 king-size beds in both rooms, that's pretty legit. Great use of space. Not only to mention that you had a pretty decent balcony out there as well. So I hope this was helpful. I hope the deep dive was something that could help you on your next move, or if you were thinking about moving over to the Groves South Lamar. If so, give us a like, subscribe below, hit the bell for notifications. And if there's a particular floor plan or a certain property you want to see and you want to see their floor plans, let me know and I'll do my best to get a video up for you. So with that, we will see you on the next one.